Welcome to the Google Analytics Segments tutorial. Google Analytics segments allow you to isolate and analyze specific subsets of your website traffic, providing a more detailed understanding of your audience and their behavior. To start, navigate to the Google Analytics dashboard and click on the Reports tab. In the Reports tab, you will see a section called Segments, where you can find pre-built segments such as all users, new users, and returning users. You can also create your own custom segments based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior, and technology. For example, you can create a segment to analyze traffic from a specific country or traffic that has completed a specific goal. To create a custom segment, click on the New Segment button and select the conditions that define your segment. You can choose from a range of dimensions and metrics, including location, language, browser, and device. Once you have created your segment, you can apply it to any report in Google Analytics to see how that specific subset of traffic behaves. For example, you can apply a segment to the audience report to see the demographics of your traffic from a specific country. You can also use segments to compare different subsets of traffic. For example, you can compare the behavior of new users versus returning users, or compare traffic from different countries. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include creating segments that align with your business goals, using segments to analyze specific marketing campaigns, and regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant. By using Google Analytics segments, you can gain a deeper understanding of your website traffic and make more informed decisions about your marketing strategy. With segments, you can identify areas of opportunity, optimize your website and marketing campaigns, and ultimately drive more conversions and revenue. In conclusion, Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool for analyzing and understanding your website traffic. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using segments effectively, you can unlock valuable insights and drive business growth.